Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This lets the TV and phone find each other. On your phone, open the Cast option in Quick Settings or launch the Google Home app and scan for devices. Make sure the Motorola TV is awake on its Android TV home screen so it advertises itself. Once you see the TV name, tap it to start the connection. This initiates a secure session and prepares the TV to receive audio and video from your phone. After selecting the Motorola TV from the cast list, wait for the phone to confirm the connection. You'll see a casting indicator. Use an app's built-in cast icon to stream video or choose screencast for full display mirroring. The former is more efficient and preserves battery. You can control playback and volume from either the phone or the TV remote, and the TV handles decoding so performance stays smooth. If you need audio only, switch apps or pause video while keeping the cast session active. To finish, tap the cast icon and choose Stop Casting. The Motorola TV will revert to its home screen. If the TV doesn't appear or the stream drops, reboot the phone, the TV, and your router. Power cycling clears common network discovery issues. Make sure both devices run the latest updates and disable any VPNs on your phone because they block device discovery. Finally, if problems persist, move the phone closer to the router and try again so signal strength isn't the limiting factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.